In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fiverr seller profile not approved. Now, this could be due to multiple different issues. For example, your profile setup, content quality, or compliance with Fiverr's guidelines. So number one is you want to go ahead and review the Fiverr email for specific reasons. So typically, they will send you an email explaining the situation and explaining why your account actually did get rejected. It may mention issues like incomplete information, low quality content, or policy violations. If you see that there's no clear response or you haven't got that email yet, then contact Fiverr customer support for clarification via their help center. Or you guys could go ahead and just email support and then at Fiverr.com right over here, and you basically want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that your account did get, rejected and stuff like that, and you really want to be concise and professional. And next up, you want to make sure that all profile fields are filled out correctly, including your real name, your professional bio, contact information, and relevant skills. Incomplete or inaccurate details like mismatched names or a vague description of what you do, that could lead to a rejection. So guys, you want to make sure that all those details are actually very, very high quality, and especially your name. I know a lot of people like to put their nickname and stuff like that, but that is not going to work. Whenever you are creating your Fiverr seller profile, you will need to use your real name on your ID. And also, you need to use a high quality professional profile picture and header image. Avoid low resolution, blurry, or unprofessional images, as these can trigger restrictions. Next up, you want to focus on a specific niche, typically one that has less competitors. So Fiverr may reject profiles in highly competitive categories like logo design, social media marketing, to maintain a marketplace balance. So consider offering a niche service with less competition, or honestly, just get more detailed with what you actually do. So let's say you specialize in creating Minecraft servers. Go ahead and write Minecraft server setups for Java Edition or something like that, or Discord community configuration, something like that, to increase your approval chances. You don't want your account to come across as too generic, because that could actually cause your Fiverr account to get rejected. And also, make sure you have high quality gig content. So create gigs with original, high quality images, videos, and descriptions. Avoid using copyrighted material, stolen images, or generic content, as these violate Fiverr's terms of service and could lead to rejection. So double check your gig work for proper grammar, spelling, and clarity. A poorly written gig description can signal low quality on Fiverr's review team. And also, if prompted, please complete the verification ID process with a valid government issued ID. Make sure that the ID matches your account details and the photo is clear without any glare or obstructions. And also, don't misrepresent your skills. Like, don't overestimate what you do. You always want to be honest and concise whenever you are creating your profile, because common violations of Fiverr terms and services include misrepresentation of skills, using multiple accounts, or suspicious activity like using a flagged IP address. Also, if you use a VPN, make sure to disable your VPN whenever you are trying to become a Fiverr seller, because that could play a factor as well. So I know a lot of people like to use VPN on a daily basis, but whenever you're trying to make a Fiverr seller account, please go ahead and disable it, because that could be an issue why. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.